And just like that, we have managed to find and schedule content for the entire week for our Instagram page. And we did this with just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So a few months back, I uploaded this video where I talked about how you can make money using Instagram, how you can build niche Instagram pages and make $100 per day. I'm gonna link to that video in the description below if you guys want to watch it. But basically, that video received a lot of views on my channel. It has become one of my top most watched videos on my channel. And one of the most popular questions that I get on that video is mainly, how do I find the content and exactly how time consuming is this process of building Instagram pages? And that is a legitimate concern, because if you want to build Instagram pages, Facebook pages, a YouTube channel, whatever that is, you have to post consistent content. And so about a month ago, one of my subscribers who has built multiple Instagram pages to hundreds of thousands of followers reached out to me and said, hey, you can use this powerful tool that I've been using for the past few months to help me find content, schedule content, and do it all very easily, and it'll save you a lot of time. And I've been using this tool for the past month now, and what I'm gonna do in this video is give you a complete review of this tool called Apphi. And the truth is, it has made it a lot easier for me to not only find content but automate much of the process of posting to my Instagram pages. So what I'm planning to do is show you inside my Apphi account and show you all the features and the things that you can do from within the app. So with that in mind, what we're gonna do is jump into my computer and show you everything that Apphi has to offer. All right, so we're inside my Apphi account, and the first thing you're gonna see once you log in is a calendar view, something like this, where you can see all the posts that you have scheduled for your Instagram page. And this is very helpful because you can see everything that's gonna be being posted on your Instagram page. You can manage multiple Instagram pages or profiles from within your Apphi account. So what I'm gonna do in this video is just show you some of the main features on why I believe that this is one of the best tools out there right now in order to manage your Instagram pages. So I'm gonna click on settings, and I believe this is a very helpful feature that has saved me a lot of time. Now you can easily just set up a default post time. So that means that whenever you schedule content, you don't have to worry about what time am I gonna schedule this. You can set it up automatically and Apphi will do that for you. You can do the same thing with storage. As you can see, I don't have it on, but you can definitely do that as well. And some of the other features that you can do automatically are captions, comments. So for example, you can have a default caption for every single post. You can have a default first comment for every single post if you want to do that. What I'm using right now is the save caption feature, which basically allows me to just easily just access whatever captions I have saved to whatever post I wanted to attach it to. But at the same time, you can also do it with comments. So by having a list of multiple hashtags saved as comments, you can automatically insert a first comment with all the hashtags you want for that specific post. And you can do that with a single click, which I'm going to show you in this video. Now I want to show you just how simple it is to find and schedule something that you can use on your Instagram page. So we're going to click on search and repost. So as you can see, Apphi has pulled a list of different posts with the number of likes and comments and views that they receive, allowing you to basically just choose from that list something that you can repost to your Instagram page. And of course, you can search by hashtags. You can just simply click on a specific profile, and by doing that, you can easily just repost anything that you want to your Instagram page. So for example, let's say that I wanted to repost this picture right here. All I would have to do is just click on repost. It has already chosen our next default post time, so I don't have to worry about selecting the date or selecting a time for this specific post. Now if I want to do that, of course you can turn this off. You can just select what date and time you want, but because I'm using the default post time, I don't have to worry about that. You can basically just customize anything you want from this post. So if I want to just remove the people that are tagged in this picture, I can easily do that. I can add a location if I want to do that. I can tag products if I want to do that, and I can definitely add a first comment. So if I click on first comment, you can see my saved comment history here. I simply click on it, And just like that, whenever this post goes live on my Instagram page, it will automatically include this first comment with a list of all the hashtags that I chose. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just include a caption from one of my saved captions. So I'm going to click here on save caption. And as you can see how simple that was, just by clicking on it, it automatically included a saved caption. And now we can just add a text if you want to do that. We can just add some text to this picture. And now that we have all of that in there, all we have to do is click done. So now if we go back to our schedule calendar, and we'll be able to see that this post has been scheduled for that specific date. Very simple. You can edit the post if you want to do that. You can schedule it again, or you can just completely delete this schedule. So guys, I did this in less than a minute. As you can see, if you're growing Instagram pages or your personal profile and you're trying to find content that is proven to go viral on Instagram because it's getting lots of likes, lots of engagement on Instagram, and just by sitting down 30 minutes per week, you can schedule an entire week's of content for your Instagram page using this app. Alright guys, so if you found this review helpful, I'm gonna put a link in the description below so you can sign up for a free account with Apphi. You don't need to enter any credit card information or pay anything upfront to try all the features. If you do decide to upgrade, then you'll get access to unlimited postings and you can manage multiple Instagram pages at the same time. You can either pay a monthly fee or you can pay a yearly fee. But like I said, I've been using this tool for about a month now, and as you can see, it has saved me a lot of time. And this tool is especially good for growing niche Instagram pages because you can easily find the content, schedule, make sure you have all the tags and captions and everything that you need, and you can do that in just less than a minute. So once again, I hope that you found this review helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.